When it comes to on-the-job training, there is possibly no steeper learning curve than when you're doing your very own building construction. And for Dad and I, as first-time tilers on this project, the daunting task of gluing and grouting 80 square metres of pool tiling now laid in front of us. Like anything though, the tricks of this trade are in the subtle art of the technique. Mixing this ATA specialist pool adhesives into a beautiful thick porridge-like consistency was step one. The next piece to the process was getting smooth, even notches of glue in one direction, and with a final wiggle and a bump to get an airtight bond, all that was left was a good clean, ready for grouting. This production line, with Dad trowel notching the adhesive and me sticking on the tiles, would stretch on for weeks as we worked together through the 924 mosaic sheets needed to complete this swimming pool. After the walls are completely tiled, we get rolling with the last of the waterproofing for the floor before we get back to laying the rest of the 31,000 individual glass tiles that would have to be glued, cleaned and grouted. For more information about this series, visit www.topproperty.tv.